Today we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios for different angles. For different angles means more than 90 degree. In class 10th, आपने बिल्कुल पढ़ा है 0 से 90 डिग्री तक का as sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, up to 90. Today we will see how you will find the value of sin 135, sin 150, yeah, that means more than 90 degree or less than 0 degree. How you can find this, right? ये हम आज देखेंगे और इसमें we will try to see the tricks also, right? Clear? As you know, in quadrant, there are 4 quadrants, right? Right, beta? First, second, third, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, sine is positive and cos is also positive. Naturally, if sine and cos are positive, other ratio will also be positive because tan is sine by cos, cot is cos by sine, sec is 1 by cos. In second quadrant, sine positive but cos negative. In third quadrant, you will see just opposite of first. That means sine will be negative, cos will be positive. And in fourth quadrant, sine is negative and cos is positive. This one is known as the origin, right? Suppose you have to find the value of sin 135. हम बहुत ही छोटा सा एक ट्रिक यूज करने जा रहे हैं, देखिएगा. Any trigonometric ratio n into 90 degree plus minus theta will be same trigonometric ratio if n is even, but it will be opposite trigonometric ratio if n is odd number. Here theta must be acute angle. सिर्फ इतना तैयार करके आप बिल्कुल बता सकते हैं कि हम एंगल्स बड़ा से बड़ा कैसे फाइंड कर लेंगे. ठीक है, सिर्फ इस पर में जो आपके बुक्स में दिया हुआ रहता है कि आप इसमें याद करें कि यहां से यहां तक कितना एंगल्स पर में क्या होगा, साइन 180 माइनस थीटा, साइन थीटा एटसेट्रा. आपको कुछ भी याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है और आप सिर्फ इस ट्रिक से निकाल लिया करेंगे, राइट? जैसे देखो, मान लो तुम्हें वैल्यू निकालना है साइन 150 डिग्री का. ठीक, कि हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं साइन 150. Try to break this 150 degree into 2 parts such that one is the multiple of 90 degree and other is acute angle. तो 150 है तो इसे हम 1 into 90 degree plus 60 degree. We can write it, beta. 1 into 90, that means in place of n, you have odd number. In odd number, ratio will be opposite. The opposite of sine is cos. So cos 60. Now see, 150 degree will be in second quadrant. यहाँ से count करना शुरू कर बेटा. 0, 90, 180, 150 will be in second quadrant. Where this sign is positive. So here you will have to write plus, although plus is not written, cos 60 is half. Suppose you have to find tan of 210 degree. right? Now, how you will find tan 210 degree? It will be tan of 180 plus 30. Is it right? 180 means 2 into 90, and 2 is the even number, so the ratio will not be changed. Same ratio will be here, tan 30 degree. 210 degree, just count here, 0, 90, 180, 270. Between 180 and 270, there will be 210 degree. That is in third quadrant, and in third quadrant, tan is positive. So plus sign will be used. And as you know, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Is it clear? Suppose you have to find the value of sine 330 degree. Again, break it into two parts, right? Sine of 270 plus 60 degree. And here, the 90 into 3, and 3 is the odd number. So again, ratio will be changed. This will be cos 60 degree. 330 degree will be in fourth quadrant. Again, count beta. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Between 270 and 360, there will be 330 degree, where sign is negative. So right here, minus. You have to see the sign of this one. जो आपको फाइंड करना है उसका साइन देखें, ठीक है ना? क्लियर? और उसके साइन को देख करके आप बताएं कि ये किस में जाएगा. क्लियर बेटा? ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट पेज, नेक्स्ट और भी फाइंड करते हैं हम. सपोज करो तुम्हें सेक 840 डिग्री का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. इट विल बी सेक 810 डिग्री plus 30 degree. 810 means 9 into 90. In place of n, you have 9, odd number, so the ratio will be opposite, and opposite of sec is cosec. Cosec 30 degree. 810 will be in second quadrant. 840. This is 810, this is 900, so it will be in second quadrant where sec is negative. So right here the sign of minus, cosec 30 is 2, reciprocal of sine. In book, you will see sine of 2 pi minus theta is sine theta with negative sign. Do you know why? 2 pi, that means 360 degree. That means 4 into 90 degree. In place of n, you have 4. No, that is even number. So the ratio is not changed. 2 pi minus 0 pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2, 2 pi minus, that means in fourth quadrant where sign is negative. So not necessary to learn the chart of sine, cos, tan, 270 plus, 270 minus, 360 minus, 360 plus, not necessary. बस सिर्फ इसको याद रखना है जो भी मैंने बताया कि sin n into 90 degree plus minus theta will be same ratio. If n is even number, it will be of opposite when ratio will be changed. Right? Now see. Suppose you have to find sine minus theta. Although it is written in the book minus sine theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta. Tan minus theta is minus tan theta. Right? Do you know why? देख बेटा बहुत ही शॉर्ट ट्रिक, साइन माइनस थीटा और कॉस माइनस थीटा और टेन माइनस थीटा ऑलवेज कम्स इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, जीरो माइनस, where sin is negative, cos is positive, tan is negative, and based on this one we are writing sin minus theta minus sin theta, cos minus theta cos theta, tan minus theta minus tan theta. Is it right? One more thing, do you know the difference between radian and degree? We are saying pi radian is equal to 180 degree. What is this radian? In circular path, suppose a particle moves from A to B. In the meantime, angle subtended at the center is theta. R is its radius, L is the length of arc. When L and R will be same, in this case, theta is known as 1 radian. Right? Why pi radian is equal to 180 degree? When particle completes half revolution, you can take the full revolution also with A to B. In the meantime, L will be equal to pi r from mensuration, length of the arc. Theta will be equal to 180 degree. And you know, if theta is in radian, then theta is equal to L by R. Naturally, L and R will be same, so 1 radian. Put the value in this formula, 180 degree is equal to L pi R upon R. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. It's clear? Now question raised. If you have to compare sine 1 and sine 2, if degree is not written there, then always remember that is in radian. Sine k, that means sine k radian. Sine 5, that means sine 5 radian. How you will compare sine 1 and sine 2? At first change it into degree. As pi radian is 180 degree, so 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi. Approximately it will be 57.2. We are writing 57. So sine 1 will be sine 57 degree. Sine 2 will be equal to 2 into 57, that is 1. How much it will be? 57,114. That means sine 57 degree and sine 66 degree, 180 minus theta. Now sine 66 will be greater than sine 57 from class 10th. Sine 0, sine 91. So between 0 and 90 degrees, sine is increasing function. That means angle will be increased, then the value will also be increased. That means this, that means this. It's clear? Suppose cos 1 and cos 3. Suppose cos 1 is cos 57 degree, and this will be cos 57 into 3, 181 degree. Cos 57 and cos 180 plus 1 degree, third quadrant minus cos 1. So this will be greater. In this way, you can compare two trigonometric ratios. Not necessarily both will be cos or sine. Suppose you have to check sine 3 and cos 1. That means sine 181 degree and cos 57 degree. This will be 180 minus 9 degree. Second quadrant, that means sine 9 degree. This is cos 57 degree. From class 10th, cos 57 will be equal to sine 33 degree. Always remember, opposite trigonometric ratio with complementary angles will have the same value, as sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is also root 3 by 2, 60 and 30 are complementary to each other, right? Now see, sine 33 will be greater than sine 9. So this will be the greater value, right? Again, we will discuss more thing about the trigonometry. Okay.